Hello you guys, I am very excited because today I am going to show you the Bookends from Barnes & Nobles that I received last week, a couple of days ago. Anyway, I have had these Bookends in my wish list for a while now. I wanted them real bad, but I didn't want it to spend what they cost just yet. So since I was able to get the Hogwarts Castle, I was like, this is what's next. And then I'm taking a break. Anyway, these are the Puking Pastilles Bookend. Let me see. And the Bubble Boy Bookend from the Weasley's Wheezes shop. Let's open them. Let's start with the Puking Pastilles Bookend. I think they're pretty cool. You can use them as bookends or you can use them just as figures. I have a shelf on my collection just for the Weasley's Wheezes. So I am very excited to just add these. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them as bookends, like if I'm gonna add one of the Harry Potter book series that I have and have them in between these two. Let's see. I might. Oh wow, it's heavy. Okay. Again, I was like, why is it the price a little bit, you know, for Bookends? It's a little bit pricey, but it's because it's heavy. Oh my goodness, the detail on it. Yep, it's worth it for those of you that, like me, have had these on their carts for a while and are considering it. I'm here to tell you, at least this one is pretty freaking cool. It's not too big, but it's not the size of a normal bookend. Like, it's a good size, not too big, not too small, and it's heavy. So yeah, I would say that the price is right. Now let's open Bubble Boy. Another thing you guys can do is get one first and then, because that's what I was thinking to do. I was like, I'm gonna spend the 60 bucks on one first and then the other one. But then I was afraid one was not gonna be in stock and I wanted to get both like before they ran out of stock. I'm like, you know what? I'm going for both and then I'm not gonna buy anything else. Anyone else like to themselves like that? Let's see. This comes taped. I always take forever opening things, so I just cut the tape and it opens easily. And again, it's pretty heavy. Wow. Holy shish. You guys. Okay, this is pretty cool. This, wow. Yeah, the paint on it is really cool. It's as heavy as the other one. Let me show you both. Okay, yes. These, if you like the Weasleys, I don't know who wouldn't like the Weasleys. If you like the Weasleys and their shop, I think this is a piece from the Noble collection that you want to add to your collection. Anyway, I'm gonna add them and I'm gonna post a picture of them on my Instagram page, Giojammies. I recently painted this wall. I posted a picture today about this wall, painting it teal. My plan was to paint these bookshelves teal, but it's a lot of bookshelves. It's just one wall. So I went with painting just a wall. And I think it's a good combination. There's a lot of teal details on the Harry Potter collection. It's not like red and yellow like Gryffindor or like this, you know, big bold colors, but there's a lot of blue accents on the Harry Potter collection that it just goes well. So for these more Harry Potter and Disney stuff, I gotta record a couple of Disney stuff too, just follow Giojammies. I do a lot on Instagram. I'm not as YouTube savvy as others, but I'm here, I'm trying. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing. And just one more time, say bye-bye, you guys. Jeez, these are super cool. So worth it if I didn't say that before. Take care, you guys. Bye.